Right now in Gaza nation, I feel like the more set of bad-minded people, I think I dance all them there. And they're having a gimmicks thing. You see what I'm doing? Because right now them act like a two dance all you have and another one. Right. You know what I mean? So them a go on like a two dance all you have. And it's not one dance all. So it's all because them artists, them what them vent for, them not go on with nothing. Meaning like, them not go on with nothing internationally for put dancehall on a different level. Everything what them do it's locally. And that's all the guys them kill up themselves for. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, that's all them kill up them. Are you that? Alright. What? The world, it's not a plan. That's what I'm going. A franchise, the chosen one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already when I come to represent. Full effective. You know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Yo, you know a load explosion boy, you know. Watch me man. I'm the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo. Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me. I'm the most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. What? So yeah. I forget to it. We think the most bad-minded people in a dance hall. You see what I'm doing? Yeah, because here we go on. There ain't no way possible you can be a dancehall fan or a dancehall artist and use your next artist and take dancehall to a different level where you know no dancehall artists are do right about now. And I know gimmicks business, not like dancehall artists now do no song, but them song now sparks, them song now blaze, they now burn the fire out there. Here we are going. Remember saying vybz kartel, you know, have you know, one of the biggest international platforms in a dancehall music, and that's a Gaza nation. No gimmicks not there night, and no lollipop thing. Shut up, you know hear where Shut Up Wally tell Winford, eh? You don't hear where him tell him, you don't act like say a farmer gimmicks business that. You can see the man drop big album, see, where the whole of you cut on the eye pass, and most of you claim you not review it. You see me? The song hit on the American Billboard chart. You know what I mean? And somehow you claim say yo the numbers them weak. You know the song wacky again, you know. Another far brother. And start burn up the chart even wickeder. You see what I deal with? Because the last time I paid, I 18 the song slipped down. You see what I deal with? I'm not telling you about Jamaica business, which was the whole of you know that. I remember, you know, saying, it's not no big record company who not hear about all over the world. It's not none of them type of company there where you hear. You see me? I push artists and them thing there. The only thing vybz kartel have a Gaza nation, and you know Zodiac I deal with the man thing properly. You see me? So, you know, she say, I change vybz kartel, I change the game, enough people not even look on that. I just publishing and Gaza nation, and the man thing shot, shellway, hotter than we hell there. I don't even know gimmicks business. What the man album I do, you know, right now, you know, it takes some album, you know, They have the big monster record company behind them, you know, for make such thing happen, you know. You see what I deal with? And then you go like you don't want to respect Vybz Kartel and Gaza Nation. Eh? You know, bad-minded people, my brother. Let me tell you something, you know. Now watch it carefully, you know. Because I want to see, you know, if I win Vybz Kartel win the Grammy, I get nominated for the Grammy. If at them time that the media outlet of Jamaica, I go want to pick up them things there. I know we not hear none of them talk about the man album, you know. No on stage, no Anthony Miller, nobody at all, you know. I know we not hear them talk about the man album, you know. The man even get gold record and them still not talk about it. You see what I deal with? Yeah. So I could see when the Privy Council let go the world boss. I could see them if I that go and be them daily program, or them everyday program, or them every week program. When the Privy Council tell the world boss to go on yard, go on yard, go take care of and youth them. Eh? Who I go see? You know what I mean? Who I go want interview? And who I go chat about the man's success and all them things there. Because be a thing I go on and nobody I go like them not acknowledge it, you know. But you don't have to do that. Because I'm telling you something, Gaza Nation International. I don't even have gimmicks business. I don't lie about it. Gaza Nation International, the four corners of the earth. I don't have gimmicks business. So you don't have to do nothing because you can't stop this. You know see me? You fight the man all over. Somehow you do some look a secret fight. You know what I mean? And somehow you don't walk me no more, none at all. You don't beg you for walk me, my brother. You don't have to walk me no more. You don't see what the album I do. And nobody now walk me them mouth. You don't see what the album I do. And no media outlet in Jamaica not talk about it. You don't see what the man album I do. And not even the artists them talk about it. What happened? You don't vex because I don't do it. Or you don't vex because I don't fool no artists I do it. Eh? Let me tell you something. Some of the bloggers them nasty as fuck. You see what I deal with? Yeah. I don't even a gimmicks thing. The man them nasty. I don't know joke in it. But you have to know you can't stop greatness. Never, you never can ever do that. When people great, you have to just love that. You can't stop trying, you can't stop that. Because remember, you know, I did the same thing the man them, you know. You don't do Bob Marley, you know. Just remember that, you know. Is there I deal with? After the international people, them, you know, say, well then, yeah, Bob Marley thing first class. Everybody and their mama, they on the wagon right now. You know what I mean? All some of them are used to crucify Rastaman and still a curse Rastaman. But you know, have Bob Marley picture hang up in our house. You know worry on yourself, you know. No worry on yourself, you know, because I tell you, you know, Gaza thing international, you know. I'm glad. I'm glad all the man them a vote. You see what I deal with? For the thing, so I know so well then. It not have much to deal with bad-minded people in a dance hall. You see me? More have to deal with some international